The days are long, but rewarding. The work is hard. The equipment works even harder. But what happens when your equipment stops working? The rusted bolt that seized a bearing. Every second of downtime will be costing the industry in terms of both money and productivity. So how do you fix it quickly? Induction Innovations has harnessed the power of invisible heat to make repairing faster, easier and safer by using induction heating. Over the years from automobile, we have expanded to other industries, including heavy-duty engineering, agriculture, marine and petrochemical. The Mini Ductor is the professional's choice handheld. It's ideal for a roadside repair. Any piece of kit with a 12-volt battery can be used. It releases metal from corrosion and threadlock compounds without the dangers of open flame. Prepared Mini Ductor by selecting the perfect coil and secure with twist lock. Place coil around fastener or bolt. Heat for 3 to 5 seconds. Back it away and try to release it with a wrench. Its lightweight ergonomic design with user-controlled LED can easily access hard-to-reach places. The simple coil twist lock works with attachments provided with series. Coils can be flexible and can be bent or separated. LED indicator lights use under several conditions. MiniPad is a heating attachment for the Mini Inductor Venom. It allows technicians to remove vinyl graphics, decals, body trim and much more, while leaving little to no adhesive behind. The Inductor Glass Blaster is a versatile tool that offers quick and clean removal of windshields and other bonded autoglass, SMC panels and more. Use the L-wedge for better assessments of Glass Blaster. The Glass Blaster tool allows for fast removal of auto glass in minutes, not in hours, without the use of knives or wires. The ProMax Fully Loaded is ProMax induction heating system. It can be customized with ergonomically designed attachments. For other products, contact at www.inventumindia.com.